1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Beautiful, fucking beautiful. Oh man, that's unfortunate. Poor tree. It's always nice to get some fresh air, get out in nature. So beautiful out here. Look at that. Look at that. I hear water. I hear water. Someone was telling me that there's some waterfalls in here, and hoping that'd be true. There we go. Got it up a little higher now. Love being out here. A little solo hike today. You know, no one wanted to come with me. It's all right. If no one wants to come with me, I'll just take myself out. A little me date. You know how we do it. Oh yeah, I hear water. Let's see this. Oh yeah, here we go. This is nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Little bridge. Oh, damn. Fucking beautiful as shit.
Nice car.
I've been holding it in for like 2 hours. All right, we're doing this. Oh, oh. Just kidding. You thought, haha, motherfuckers. Thought I'd die. Easy as shit. Look at that. Hell yeah. Beautiful. All right, let's keep going. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Mwah. Mwah. That's what I say to that. Mwah. Holy bejesus. Let's keep going. Yeah, this is some Alaska shit, right? Fucking beautiful out here. Look at this. Most people don't see this in their entire lives. Real talk. This is some of the most beautiful shit I've seen in my entire life. Very thankful to be here. Let's go check this out. You know, we're gonna take everything in as we go. Check out this beautiful little stream a little more. Little river. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is fucking beautiful. Look at this. Mwah. Here we go.
Oh yeah.
So peaceful out here. Oh, God damn it. Fucking mosquito. How's it going? Good. DILF. 100% a DILF. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah, das ist gut. Beautiful. I heard a kid screaming earlier. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. So I'm hiking, right? And then I come across this. God damn.
Damn, boy, he's thick!
God damn. God damn. Dude, this is a butt lift if I've ever seen one. Oh my God, my boy thick as fuck. Holy shit. Oh yeah, that shit's solid too. God damn. Good shit. Good game. Wow. Y'all just take a second and admire this wonderful piece of nature. Yo, it's even got an ass crack. Look at this. Look at that. Debit or credit?
Sir! Sir! Grab me that little critter. But sir!
Interesting. Kind of cool. Kind of cool.
Thick ass tree.
Mwah. Beautiful. Look at this shit. Nice. Probably should have filmed a little bit this earlier, but it's coming down now. Down there, and then you can kind of see the water down there. Oh, this looks dope already. Whew. Nice. Okay. All right. Hell yeah. Dude, these fucking panels are broken as shit. It's kind of sketchy. I don't think I'm supposed to be doing this. But this shit's shaking. Kind of sketchy. Still going over there though. Hell yeah. We got some behind me. Oh, fuck it, fell. My bad, guys, my bad. That was rude. Look at that. Look at that. I think I'm pointing in the right direction. The back there, you know what I'm talking about. Fucking beautiful. Hell yeah. Okay. Yo, look how sketchy this is though. Oh man. Let's get over to this side. Yeah. Yeah, this is it. Sorry guys, I was gonna get a fucking sick ass underwater shot of this river right here, but unfortunately my fucking lens doesn't want to come off, little bitch. So yeah, you guys just have to enjoy it from here. The water's super fucking clear, that's why I want to get an underwater shot, but sorry guys, next time. Look how clear this water is. Yo, look at this shit. Look at this shit. Holy fuck. Oh yeah. That is so sick. Oh my god, this is magical. This is so sick. What? about to go down right there. Watch me. This is badass. Holy shit. Nice. That is badass. Hell yeah. Hold on, let me take a photo real quick. Jeez. Hell yeah. That is so sick. Just take a second and look at this. Like, real talk. Alright, no jokes. Like, this is some of the most beautiful shit I will see, and maybe you will see in your entire life. What the fuck? I am so thankful to be here, man. Look at this. Look at this shit. $10 and I'll cannonball. I'm gonna go down there. I'm just taking the risky path right now, seeing what's up. Look at that. That's badass. That's so sick. Hell yeah. Woo! Look at this. Oh my God. Oh yeah, this is what I like to see right here. Hold on, I want to get down there. Try to get a better view of the water falling. All right, that's close enough, right there. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Mwah, mwah, mwah. That deserves 3. Holy shit. God damn. Alright, got up on this rock right here. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, sorry, I gotta move it. Yeah, this is where it's at. Fuck yeah. This is so sick. Mwah. It's another day out here in the Battle of Alaska. A battle scar. Oh my gosh. Where the mosquitoes at? You must suck. I'm really sorry that I'm making all you guys jealous. Not really, I'm just kidding. Now seriously, this is fucking beautiful, right? I live a good life. It's fucking cool out here, right? Very thankful I'm here in Alaska to be able to experience this. You guys can too. It's literally easy as fuck. Fly into Anchorage, stay in Anchorage. This is, drive to Alaska. This is 1 hour from Anchorage. You drive down here, it's an easy hike. It's pretty flat. It's not steep at all. And there's like no bears. It's very populated. It's right by a ski resort, so there's a fuck ton of people. If you get hurt, it's pretty hype, I'm not gonna lie. yeah. Hey, don't be mad. I be seeing some cool shit when you're sitting in your damn room watching someone do cool shit. Do cool shit. Come on. Come on. Do it. I can't forget you. Come with me, bad boy. All right, so I'm headed back now. I'd say today's a fucking success. That was beautiful. Seeing some crazy, crazy shit today that you can't really see in many places in the world. So, yeah, heading back now. Thank you guys for watching. I'll just do my outro now. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like if you guys enjoyed the video. It'll push my videos up further in the algorithm. I would really appreciate it. And I apologize. I don't make a lot of eye contact. I think while I speak. I have ADD, so yeah. Anyways, subscribe as well if you're new around here. New videos. I don't know what the fuck I'm specializing in. I'd say just adventures, shit like that. I don't know, just cool shit. So just subscribe for cool shit, right? So you guys probably saw my side-by-side video. I did this one. Tomorrow I'm going to 2 different glaciers, so I'll probably be filming a video on that. So stay tuned for those videos. And yeah, again, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Stay safe out there. Again, this hike is in the title. It should be. If it's not, it'll be in the description. This is Alaska. This is, fuck, I forgot the name. But anyways, just I'll put it in the description in the comments. Check it out if you guys come to Alaska. It's an hour away from Anchorage. Hike's pretty easy. Yeah. Anyways, see you guys next time.